lost my gear. Yeah, it's dead.
Yo,
I think I've lost
looks
my...
like oil's leaking.
Blew up the gearbox, man. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video of Hoodstig. Yes, the title is correct. The Toyota Soarer is dead. The gearbox is broken and we're going to show you how it happened later on through the video, but it's not drivable. We've got it dropped off by the recovery unit and this is it. To a POV night drive, go straight to a car meet. We made it. See how good is this on fuel? Put in about 30 quid V-power. See how long that lasts. Thank you very much for that. Bismillah. This car is leaking a bit of oil, so that just happened when the car was parked up. It just started to seep hand patch of oil on the floor. That is looking bad. Fucking hell! Oh my god! Oh my god! What the fuck? Bro, there's a car on the turbo. I'll drop you at least 100 brake. Bro, don't leave us behind, man. Go slow for us. Rolling out. That's how easy it is for the car to slide out. You see that? I made it now. It's quite busy here, God, mate.
Still think you should have brought the Colt out, right? The faster one. That's spinning wheels up in the front. Like.
Oh, sick. Yeah, oh, mad. Oh my god, that is so good. That. Is it pearl white?
Yeah.
Pearl white.
Just standard pearl white. I think it's
so
colour code. I think it's 049. Just for blue bucket seats because you know it goes with the white, like. And then like, I put all the electrics onto the actual rails. Yeah, that's what I did to my bumper. And a crack there and a crack there, and it's like this bit literally folded, man.
Damn, man.
I'm not turning slicks into slicks, mate. Go on.
There's like at least probably 10 M140s just ruling everything right now. Where are you heading to? Good idea. I'm coming now. Right, we're rolling out. Oh wow. Ooh. I know how to not make it spin. That sounded naughty though, that did. Can't really do anything. I've lost my gear. Yeah, it's dead.
Yo,
I think I've lost
looks
my...
like oil's leaking.
Yeah.
So it's auto gearbox oil, that's why you've got no drive.
Got no drive. Push it onto the curb for me. Well, guess what, guys? My gearbox is gone. Push me, guys. It is what it is, right? Blew up the gearbox. Well, that was quick, innit? It's alright, it's alright. was it gonna handle the power? It's literally. We need to get a recovery truck ASAP. We tried, but we blew up. After we spun out, it would rev up, but the car wouldn't drive at all. He was saying with these boxes, when there's no fluid in the gearbox, the gears won't engage and the car won't drive. That's exactly what's happening. So it could be two scenarios. The gearbox has run out of fluid because it'll just come out, or we've blew the gearbox. But it's always driving at higher RPMs. It doesn't change gear until you like rev up even higher. There's a bit of a delay and a lag. I don't know whether the gearbox is either on its way out or it just can't handle the power. When it was tuned up to approximately 400 brake horsepower. So because that's what the box can handle. But like I said, we were just giving it. It's perfectly fine during the day. After that last 180, the revs just went straight to RPM redline and the gearboxes wouldn't engage and the car wouldn't drive at all. Going back to Adam's experience, he believes all the fluid's gone, and so if there's no fluid, it's not going to engage. So right now we're waiting for a recovery. It should be coming at 12:10. So I'm going to ask you guys or anybody that's got experience with 1JZ auto boxes, does the fluid come from the top or from the bottom? I will mention during the day the car was leaking fluid throughout the whole day when it's parked up. I thought it was engine oil, but now it could be the gearbox oil. Big shout out to everybody that helped push the car back onto the curb in the middle of a roundabout sideways. I'd like to show you guys. I'm going to start the car up right now. To end this video, may the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Hope nobody experiences the same thing that I had. Look after your family, take care of yourself. I'll see you guys next video. Farewell, dear Hoodstigs.